Alright, I'll teach you one example that tells you what you need to start off doing on 3D printing. First, you need to draw a sketch or have a sketchbook. Let's say you want to draw an airplane nose of a jet. It's a really important part of the airplane is the aerodynamics. And even on aerospace planes, you had to sort of like you have to start at a point of where the nose is. See that point? And then you have to draw different planes. There's one plane right there, one plane. Then you have to draw another plane. You have to draw another plane. And it looks like a bird. And then each of these planes, you have to draw each plane of its own. Each plane of another one. Each plane to complete the curve on each of these. Each of these has to connect it. After you've done your sketch on your sketchbook, you would want to print it. You would want to work it out on this CAD, preferably on SolidWorks. SolidWorks is a standard for avionics, aeronautics, CATIA. That's where SolidWorks came from, CATIA. CATIA is usually known for that. Boeing and Airbus. After that, it's almost you just build plastic toys to see what it looks like on 3D for our kids. Then afterwards, you want to have a slicer for it, and the best ones I use is Simplified 3D. Let me write down the softwares I use. First, we talk about sketchbook, right? Sketch, book. Then you need, after you need a sketchbook to like plan out how your dimensions are, your tolerances. You need softwares like Solid Work. Software requires you to have a subscription in doing what you want to do year by year. The first subscription is going to be costly. Each year after that is like $1,000. And then if you want to print the model scale, it's I use Simplify 3D. It's a one-time fee. One-time fee like $150. And thereafter, after you 3D print, you need a 3D printer, right? Some 3D printers are usually 250 millimeters by 250 millimeters by 275 millimeters. It costs around the ones that makes it easier 3D printer cost around $250 to $450. And then this doesn't have wings yet, but let's try to be a jet. So we'll do know what I'm talking about. And the future 3D printing, people think it's just plastic, but if you build a product, right? The product, let's say you make a cup. You make a cup, the shell of the cup. That cup, the plastic cup, can be coated afterwards. First it's plastic. Then it's coated with metal. Then the inside is filled with metal. So basically, you do have a metal object. Interior of object is filled with metal. And then we use ovens. Use of oven still. So basically, 3D printing of plastic is still important. And then 3D printing for everything else in biology is important too. You need protein synthesis, stem cells of what to use in 3D printing is still used. That's just for like the body, but our brain and consciousness, I don't know how we're gonna do that. And later on, we'll be able to go to space, and cryptocurrency won't be as cryptocurrency. It'll be more of astro mining with aerospace helping along the way. Other than that, I do this for my family. May they have good hope and luck in life. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.